Okay, so I want to share with you guys exactly how to use the plug and play meal plans that I send out every single Friday to add into your own personal planner. So you have your meals for the week planned, and then how to customize it to fit your goals and your needs. So every Friday, you'll see an email come into your inbox called your plug and play meal plan. And once you open it up, you'll see here's the menu for the week. I do 5 days for you: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all the things. And then you'll see some pictures of the recipes that are going to be on your plan. So then what you'll do is you'll scroll down and you'll see this area here where it says to add this plan to your Healthy Passion Planner. You want to make sure you're first logged into your account. You guys, this is so key. If you're not logged in, it won't work. So you want to make sure you log in first, and then you'll click this link and select the date in which you want your 5-day plan to start. So that's the other key, is you want to select the date in which it starts, and then keep in mind it's going to plug in 5 days. So I am carb cycling, so I always want to make sure that I start on a Monday because that's my low carb day. So I'm going to select the 2nd of May. And then hit select the date to start, and it will actually plug in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if I go to Monday the 2nd, I'll see the meal plan is done. It's in there. And now you can see here my calories are a little bit higher than the plan. So I did kind of a generic 1,500 across the board. So if your calories are higher, you can always use this fork and knife button to get some snack ideas to help get closer to that goal. So I'm going to go for these Lily's chocolate chips. And within about 100 is good. So I'm just going to leave it as is. So if your calories are lower, you can just delete out either snack or breakfast, or adjust the portion size to help fit your goals. But 1,500 across the board is pretty common. So it fits a lot of people, and then it makes it easy for you all to adjust if you're higher or lower. Now, another example would be if I don't like something on the plan. So say I'm not a fan of olives or oranges. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this chicken thighs with olive and orange spinach salad by clicking the trash can icon here. And then I'm going to use the fork and knife to get suggestions that'll help fit my goals. So it's really great if you have allergies, or if you're, again, not a fan of a specific ingredient, because you'll get a lot of other options that will also work within that day. So the fork and knife is really helpful to sort of help you fill in if you want to swap or change things out. So I am going to go with the honey garlic air fryer chicken wings with snow peas. Those sound awesome. And I'm just going to go ahead and add those to my plan. Then I can go down here and see if I wanted to get a little closer to the, calorie goal. I could always add, a few more chocolate chips, or if I'm good where I'm at, I can leave it as is. Now, if you guys are following the plan, of course, you see a lot of times I have leftovers. So I think I had the chicken thighs also on Thursday. So you can just delete them out and then use that recent button to go ahead and add the snow peas in. Or if you want something completely different, of course, you can use the fork and knife. The last thing I want to show you guys is if you are fasting and you don't eat breakfast, or you're not a fan of breakfast foods. I personally love breakfast. I just eat it later in the day. But if you're not, into the breakfast, you can go ahead and, again, just delete that out and then sub in with some snack options by using the fork and knife for additional ideas. So I'm going to go with this turkey and cheese and mustard. And then I need one more snack just to help me hit my goals. So again, fork and knife, Parmesan crisps look good to me. And there we go. I'm a lot closer to my goals, you can see, by using that. So that is how to use a plug and play meal plan, but also how to customize it to help fit your goals, your life, your needs, and save you a ton of time, even with all the customizations I made and walking you through. So it only took a couple of minutes. So if you guys are not meal planning with us yet, what are you waiting for? It is a game changer.